because I am so desperate to give away this trip, Nikki Page. Buenos dias, mi amigos. You know, we're getting into the big bike, and we just barely bought this thing, and then it's going out for a month. Somebody's renting it for a month. So I'm very proud of that. And then we were just doing some constructions over here, and we rented this place, a commercial place, right on the highway. So it's easier to find, and then, the construction is almost done. Just like I said before, it's just like we're gonna build a clubhouse and our little office space over there. Yeah, I've sincerely apologized that it's taken this long to upload this video. However, I've been super consumed with getting this office space set up. As I mentioned on the last video, we're setting up a clubhouse, and I've been doing the construction over here, and it's 80% done, and then we are getting ready for a soft grand opening tomorrow night. We had the tables made, and then we're just waiting for the decors to be done. When we first found this place, it was a dump. The roof was falling apart, and it was on cheap wood and stuff like that. And then, of course, we hired someone to redo the roof. So this roof is brand new. We installed a piece of Wi-Fi over there so students can hang out on these little tables to do their homework. And because of the humidity over here, we installed misters up there. So then when there are guests over here, we're gonna turn on the mister, keep everybody cool. And then we built these big old benches over here to, have big groups, to accommodate big groups of students for like group projects and stuff like that. Overnight, we park our bikes in here. And then, of course, we have like a couch over here where clients can come in and, like order a cup of coffee or something like that to do the bike rental contract. So it's more like a lounge. And then also, we had been, taking two people under our wings, and one boy, one girl. And despite all the drama that is going on and is continuously going on, it was brought upon us by a former employee. But that still doesn't deter us, to continue our work, to give back to the community, opening up this, like a space right here. It creates jobs. I don't want to work here. I don't want to work at all. My whole, goal is to open up with whatever little creativity I have, open up business institutions, build an empire, create jobs that are more than minimum wage. There are a lot of people complain about minimum wage, but like over here, there's a scarcity in jobs. There's a lot of unemployment, even if you want a minimum wage job. If you're over a certain age, I think the age is like 35, you're like pretty much non-hireable. And 35 is still a very young age. And it's pretty sad. So you see a lot of people taking jobs under minimum wage, like under the table jobs. But everything that we do over here is above minimum wage plus incentive. It's always the plus incentive that gives them an opportunity. If you work harder, I'm not here to babysit. I'm not here to tell you, to work harder every day and, breathe down your neck every day. It's up to you. I set up this program and this pay structure that if you work harder, the sky's the limit. So, but the guaranteed aspect, is always above minimum wage. So with that said, I wanted to take the opportunity to thank Cooley for coming back to the members area. I wanted to take the opportunity to thank Cooley and Nikki Page for coming back to the members area. And then also I wanted to thank Mr. Troll Hunter and Paul K, that had never left, that has stayed with me even though we were inactive for a little bit. And even now, it's just like I'm consumed with, finishing up this project, pursue the soft opening tomorrow of this place, even though it's not completely done. And then once it's, completely done and it's self-running, we are training these two new hires that had been with us for about a month now. And, I will put them on camera soon, but, I just wanted to take this time to observe them a little bit. Their work ethics and stuff like that, and their ability to learn at a fast pace. But because I am so grateful of you guys, I wanted to open up, and again, it's just like every video that I upload going forward from June 1st, 2026, any video that obtains 15,000 thumbs up, I will do a drawing for one of you whether local or foreigner, whomever that is a participant and a viewer of my channel, to win 1 week free stay at Tambuli and 1 week free motorbike rental. And because I am so desperate to give away this trip, I want to, take the opportunity and announce one person right now. Nikki Page, if you ever decide to come to the Philippines and visit, please give me a call. You will get 1 free week of stay in Tambuli and 1 free week of motorbike rental. And again, because I am so desperate to give it away, I understand that 15,000 likes is a little bit difficult to reach, but it's not impossible. If you guys watch my video to the full extent and share my content, to the more viewers I have, by sharing the contents, it will obtain more viewers. The more viewers I have, the more thumbs up we will obtain, and that will lead us to a drawing. But I will add a new category. If anybody wants to follow in Cooley's footstep and become a VIP member in my channel or above, if I have consistently 20, which is a very low number, VIP members or above, I will hold quarterly drawings despite the 15,000 thumbs up for that category alone, for the VIP members and above. If I can consistently maintain 20 VIP members for any 3-month duration, I will hold quarterly drawings for the 1 week free stay at Tambuli and 1 week free motorbike rental. So please bear with me, guys. Once I am done with this, I will go back out on the field and we will do daily good deeds. Like when I first arrived in the Philippines, when I and myself first started dating, it's just like we traveled to different areas and we observed. There was one beautiful moment where elderly grandmother and her very young, maybe 5-6-year-old granddaughter was eating at the same restaurant that we were eating at. And then, I just took notice that, our order was so big and their order was very minimal, mainly rice and an ice cream for the young kid. And then, of course, I couldn't help myself at that time, to offer to pay, not offer them, but, call the waiter over and insisted in paying for their bill. Because a moment like that, it's just like growing up in Los Angeles, it's a scarcity, it's very rare. So it touched my heart, and then we paid, and then I asked the waiter not to inform that party. However, maybe there was a lack of a language barrier. The waiter informed them, and they came over and was very grateful, and just a conversation stroke. But I didn't understand the conversation was in Bisaya with I mostly. But we're gonna be doing more of that instead of what we had done before. We will offer to, pay people's grocery bill and stuff like that. I hope you guys stay and be patient with me, and I will go back out in the field in the next week or two to, after this, institution is done, and we're about 80% done. We're just waiting for the signage and stuff like that. Meanwhile, thank you very much for tuning into my channel and your ever supported my channel. Nikki Page, please come to the Philippines when you do come to the Philippines, and you can claim this anytime, just like any future winners. You can claim your week at Tambuli anytime, and your 1 week of motorbike rental anytime. So just reach out to me, let me know, and we will go from there. Until next time, you'll have a good one. Please like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell, please.